This practice test is not endorsed by IELTS. This practice test is not endorsed by IELTS. How to do the test? Set up your recording device, then start the video below and let it load completely. Listen to each question, pause the video and answer the question. For part 2 there is 1 minute of silence for you to write notes, then you will be told to start speaking. Pause the video and answer. The test will begin now. Hello, this is part 1. I'm going to ask you some general questions about change. Do you like the changes? Why? What do you plan to change next year? Are there any changes to your work? Have you changed a lot since your childhood? Are there any positive changes in your country these days? Now I'd like to move on to part 2. Get your paper and pencil ready and now take 1 minute to write some notes about the topic below. There will be 1 minute of silence and then a prompt for you to start speaking. Please pause the audio and start talking now. I'd like to ask you a question based on your talk. What is your favorite wild animal? Why? We have been talking about an interesting animal, now I'd like to talk about animals in general. What kind of animals do people have in their homes? How does having a pet impact a child? Why are so many animals becoming extinct? Should we intervene in animal extinctions? Should we still use animals for labor? Is it ethical to use animals for research purposes? This is the end of the speaking test. You should play back your recording to see where you could improve.